And welcome everyone. And today's episode, we are in Bishwanath Bazar, where I'll be visiting a small Hindu festival as well as give you a walking tour of the busy bazaar.
Shobashoti Hindu festival going on today. I have been lucky enough to be invited inside one of them, and I've been recording.
But guys, we hear all sorts in the Western media in regards to Bangladeshi Muslims treating our Hindu brothers and sisters in Bangladesh, and here we are in the heart of Bishwanath, Sylhet.
Many shops here, guys. This is the second Sylhet. This is the second biggest town after Sylhet, and really, it's going to be really busy. Of course. কিছু মারতে পারলে খোকা কোনো মেসেজ দিতে চাইনি
না 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 আমি কোনটা লাগতাম আমি
থ্যাংক ইউ নি আচ্ছা আপনার কাছেও থ্যাংক ইউ দেওয়া যায় এখানে হলে আমার মামুর বাড়ি বিশ্বনাথ আমার বাড়ি জগন্নাথপুর সেবারে খান্দা তোমরা এর মাঝে আমার গারু আদা হইলে গিয়া বিশ্বনাথ কইতা মানে বাড়ির নাম আমার গাঁর নাম কইতে পারবাই নি বলপুর জগন্নাথপুর পড়ছে নি না না সিনচুনি পশ্চিম পাড়া Okay, thank you. A typical fruit stand. You'll find them everywhere in Bishwanath or all over Sylhet. We are healthy. We are a healthy nation. We love our oranges. Look at that! Look at the nice looking grapes. The Bangladeshi Associated Kulboroi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Kunta message kunta hoy jay ni?
না
Kunta hoy jay nai?
এটা আপনি বিদেশ বা চাকরি না দেশে
Ke daw. Oh, dio kano?
দিয়ে হলো
Hoy. Bishwanath aile ona aibe hoy to point maje bhai khuto mazar fruit. ঠিক আছে নি?
This is very yummy and tasty food.
There you go, guys.
This is grapes in black grapes. This is white grapes.
Speak good English as well. Look at this.
Yes,
Why?
I'm a student. Yes, I play.
Shabash, bhai. MashaAllah. Thank you. ধন্যবাদ.
Welcome.
Right, those who are unknown to the shatura, this is one of our favorite fruits of Sylhet. We are known, one of our specialties. It only grows in Sylhet, by the way. It's called the shatura. It comes from the citrus family. You won't find that anywhere else. And believe me, guys, this cooked, small amount cooked with meat or chicken, whatever you put with this, it just turns into gold. And that lembu, I love, honestly. I just wish I can come up with some product using this lemon, ideally a drink made in Bangladesh, maybe some sort of organic lemonade. And your typical shops. Red is purchasing some naga. The man that produces hundreds of naga in his garden is now here in Bangladesh in Bishwanath purchasing naga. Why not, hey? Why not? Right, continuing. Look at this, guys. Looks like a pan store in Whitechapel. Anybody? You got lots of clothing. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, look at this pan. Look at the selection this brother has. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Look at this. Look, if you guys come to Bishwanath, look at him. Look at the amount of stuff he's got. Honestly, if you don't come here, then you missed out. And this is the Posh Bai restaurant. Brother's making fresh roti, or is it parota? Parota is being made fresh here. Look at that. Yeah. Faika style parota, made here in the Faika land of Bishwanath. Shingara. Look at this. Looks so beautiful. We're not going to disturb him. We're going to let him do his job. We'll see this process out. Order mana iya, but direct mana deliver nani. Ekla mana iya nani. Na eta mana liman lagi nani. Are bhai, tumi to first class lagi ta amar mamur bari ucho ni Bishwanath. Ucho ni. Bhai hoitu lokalok boy chhe to. Mom, if you're watching, you can be proud. Man from your area is looking after us. He's making sure I'm fed, just like you would. Look at this, express style. We get to see our own roti prepared to eat. So remember, guys, if you come to Bishwanath, this is called Poultry, yeah? Poultry restaurant in Bishwanath. And look, small seats, but enough, right? And as soon as you come out, you can have a lot of pan. This is a good thing about Sylhet. Wherever you go, there's pan. So you're never far away from a bite of pan. There is a fish market there, I can see. So once we grab a bite to eat, we'll continue through the fish market. And it's looking like it's going to be a long queue. Shall we go somewhere else then? Dee, shall we go somewhere else? Dee, come out then, let's go somewhere else. There you go, he's giving it to us. So everyone's lining up here. This is probably one of the tasters. Oh, no, shop team, brothers, I had to get your attention on this. Look at the size of this.
এটা কিতা পাইছা
Ida size of
এটা লেম্বু কিলা তো
Look at this, guys.
আতাই তোমার লাগে
Look at the size of this red.
look at this
Do you have this kind of lemon in Rawalpindi, my friend?
never
No, you don't. We're gonna come back. I'm about 8 minutes. Look at this. Oh, wonderful vegetables. Okay. We're going to the other side of the river where there are fish. He knows. Let's follow him. So the guy ahead of us is the name is Ruhul, and he is the guy my brother sent to assist in shopping. So here we go. We're following him. I think we're heading towards Ramdana. Then you can smell the hutki. This is the place to buy fish, guys. You can smell yeah. Oh god, horrible smell. I can tell you that. Not something you want to be. Okay, this is where you come and buy livestock, like chickens. Can you see, guys? Chicken. Assalamu alaikum. Are you chicken? Photo sundor. Brilliant. We've got some green grocer's pan. It's sold everywhere. Look at this pond, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Fantastic pond. Bengalis would not be able to live without this stuff. Drugs, guys, drugs. Bangladeshi illegal drugs. There's more here. This brother's pushing some water, washing his hands, keeping clean. Amongst the shrubs. Which way did they go, Dee? We go anyway. So fish in Bangladesh in Bishwanath. I know they're renowned for their cows, but fish is something they do really well. Okay, so I'm going to go around and show you what we have. This is boromas. Ita kita masuk lal. Karbon ni. Roll. Bakiyat masuk ite. Papia. There's loads of different types of fish, guys. We are in the right place for all of this. I mean, a bit early now. I mean, they come with fresh fish like every day. They're in and out. Are they spawns any good with? Are the spawns any good? Do you like them?
They're farming.
Okay, so I'll leave it.
Everything is fair farm anyway.
What are we going to do then? We have to eat something. Right, so they've disappeared. And this guy, Assalamu alaikum. Very sundar, masil loya boiso. But those sign. Ita Mirka mas. Guys, these are Mirka. And these are Aid Nani. Pangas. Okay. Hey, bhai ka sharmaya do this and. Oh, bhai ka sunduriya. See, right, as you can see, everyone's looking at these big fishes and all these other like wild and weird things. But my mate, man from Rawalpindi, this is just for him. He loves these small fish. I love them too, by the way. So there's no shame in that, my brother.
I never said anything.
So look at that. Which would you fancy? Which one should we take? Good. Those of you guys, so for the women, Bengali women out there, the hutki, the dry fish is in their abundance here. These guys in Bishna, it's not only cow they're famous for, guys. Once you're here, you realize they deal with everything. Anything that moves, it's in the market and they're selling it. Have a look. Plenty of dry fish, nothing gets wasted, the bones, everything is crunched down and pushed down your throat with a nice bit of water. Oh. There's more here. So if you want to get some hutki, come to Bishwanath Bazar. And these guys will be very happy to see you. And there's more. Everyone's just frozen still. Thank you. We're purchasing a little bit here to make some hutki shira. This stuff is so smelly that people don't like to hold on to them. Just use them, purchase, and make what you want. And don't hold on to these, but they will literally stink your house. Molasses, dates, good. Assalamu alaikum.
আলাইকুম সালাম
Kita কইতা নি কোন মেসেজ?
ইংল্যান্ড আমার এক নম্বর গুল চলেন
হ্যাঁ, খোকা।
দুলের মুখ বিশ্বনাথ নতুন বাজার
আপনারা শুনছেন?
শুনছেন
আপনারা ওই দেখেন কিলা না এই দোকানে আসবেন। এই যে মার্কেটের মাঝখানে একটা সিঁড়ি আছে। You grab that and you come to the corner and brother's right on the right hand side. Palawala Gulia Boysen Baye, please come and visit him. Look, the supplies are endless. And if you come here, the gur, there's so much gur here. Very tasty gur. When you see flies in their abundance, it means the gur is very sweet. Isn't that right, Mr. Pinde? So, right. So, grocery, poultry, Bangladeshi style, village style, and here's how we do it. You select the chicken you want, and here's what the man's going to be. It's going to be, right, so constant viewers discussion here. I reckon it's around 15 plus here. It's going to be gruesome, guys, what's about to happen. This is very typical operation in Bangladesh. It may look like horrible, but I can assure you it's a painless process. And they die very quickly, and all the blood's flashed out of them. Look at that. This is how he does it. Literally, bang. The souk in Bishwanath, as I was saying earlier in one of the videos.
Well guys, we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you did like this video, please hit that like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.